The evocative title, Timeless Vibes Inside a Stunning Mid-Century Tiny House on Wheels, immediately paints a vivid mental picture of an impeccably designed, diminutive residence where the foundational tenets of classic design seamlessly intersect with the contemporary imperatives of portability and streamlined living. Fundamentally, this entire concept represents a beautifully synergistic union between the iconic mid-20th century aesthetic, distinguished by its commitment to unadorned forms, naturally inspired curves, purposeful simplicity, and a deliberate philosophical connection to the natural world, and the rapidly expanding phenomena of the tiny house movement. This particular mobile dwelling skillfully manages to encapsulate the quintessential spirit of the mid-century modern MCM era, thereby demonstrating conclusively that an expansive sense of style and genuine sophistication are by no means the sole preserve of large, permanently anchored buildings. More than just a shelter, it serves as a powerful architectural declaration that proudly advocates for living exquisitely with fewer possessions, all while preserving the ultimate freedom inherent in having a fully mobile home base. Upon crossing the threshold of this miniature architectural wonder, one is immediately embraced by a profoundly serene ambiance, one that unequivocally communicates an enduring sense of style that transcends transient, passing fads. The essential bedrock of the MCM design philosophy is typically established through a rich array of tactile, naturally sourced materials, a principle that has been flawlessly executed within the structural constraints of the small volume. One should anticipate encountering a generous deployment of sustainably sourced, richly hued woods, likely featuring tones reminiscent of high-end teak or walnut in the bespoke cabinetry and integrated wall paneling, a choice that instantly imparts a deep feeling of inherent warmth and genuine quality. This elemental material is masterfully incorporated into specialized, custom-built furniture pieces, innovative, multi-purpose storage compartments, and even the visually permeable slatted screens or dividers, all of which function to visually amplify the sense of interior spaciousness while rigorously adhering to the aesthetic's characteristic geometric linearity. Furthermore, the selection of period-appropriate lighting fixtures assumes an indispensable role in the design narrative, frequently manifesting as arresting Sputnik-style creations, sleekly geometric pendant lamps, or minimalist, cone-shaped wall sconces that deliver both directed illumination and a vital element of sculptural artistry, firmly rooting the space in its intended historical design epoch.